Good day, all pet matters. Today is a day wherein our two lovely puppies will be given away to two of our friends. We are going to share our puppies that will bring them joy and happiness. And in return, we expect them to take care of these lovely puppies, the love and care they deserve. They are 7 weeks old already, and they are eating puppy soft dog food. They just have their bath already, and they are ready to receive lots of hugs with their new for parents in their forever homes. This is the last day we're going to hug them and cuddle them. Be good to them, huh? Take yourself. Be good. These two lovely puppies are both females. They're very, very smart. Why are you crying? No crying, huh? Say bye-bye to your litter mates. Say bye-bye to each other. We won't see each other again. We might not see each other again. This is the other one. I always believe that life is not complete without having a dog. So we're going to share our puppies, so other people's life will be complete. And that's our video for today. I hope you like our video, and thank you very much for watching. I'll see you again on our next videos. Bye bye.